We are a team of experts who have been working for many years in the field of IT and technology. Our mission is to provide our clients with the best possible service, ensuring that they can achieve their goals and objectives. We strive to be at the forefront of innovation, always looking for new ways to improve our services and stay ahead of the competition. With our extensive knowledge and experience, we can offer our clients a wide range of solutions to meet their specific needs. Our goal is to build long-term relationships with our clients based on trust, reliability, and open communication. We believe that by working together, we can achieve great things and make a positive impact on our clients' businesses. The company has been involved in various projects that have helped improve the efficiency of its customers' supply chains. One such project was the implementation of Oracle's Global Trade Management (GTM) solution for a major retailer. The retailer used GTM to streamline its customs clearance processes, resulting in significant cost savings and increased productivity. Another example is the implementation of Oracle's Transportation Management System (TMS) for a logistics company. The TMS enabled the company to optimize its freight management, leading to reduced transportation costs and improved customer satisfaction. These examples demonstrate the effectiveness of Oracle's solutions in improving supply chain efficiency. They also highlight the importance of having a robust system in place to navigate complex global trade regulations. By implementing Oracle's solutions, companies can reduce costs, increase revenue, and improve their overall competitiveness in the market. Oracle Global Trade Management (GTM) is a cloud-based platform that helps businesses manage their global trade operations more effectively. It serves as a centralized hub for managing cross-border supply chains, ensuring compliance with evolving international trade regulations, and optimizing supply chain operations. The platform is critical for reducing operational costs, improving documentation and landed cost calculations, and enhancing overall supply chain efficiency. By using Oracle GTM, businesses can streamline their trade compliance processes, classify goods more accurately, and reduce customs-related issues. This enables them to focus on growing their business and staying ahead of the competition. The complexities of global trade regulations pose a significant challenge to organizations operating globally. Rapidly shifting regulations require constant monitoring and adaptation to ensure compliance. This can involve navigating intricate tariff classifications, customs procedures, and documentation across multiple jurisdictions. The stakes are high, as non-compliance can result in substantial fines, shipment delays, reputational damage, and significant revenue loss. Organizations must carefully manage these risks to maintain their competitiveness in the market. Oracle Global Trade Management provides an integrated, automated platform that transforms how organizations manage international trade compliance and operations. This centralized platform offers powerful features such as real-time visibility, unified trade compliance, product classification, license management, instant insights into trade operations, an automation hub that consolidates all management, restricted party screening, and automated customs documentation across your entire supply chain. The rewritten text is as follows. Oracle's Global Trade Management solution helps companies streamline their supply chain operations, improve visibility and control, and reduce costs. By using Oracle GTM, businesses can better manage their global trade complexities, such as customs clearance, inventory management, and logistics. This enables them to respond quickly to changes in the market, improve customer satisfaction, and increase their overall efficiency. Oracle offers a range of training programs that cater to different learning styles and schedules. The programs include online self-paced courses, live instructor-led virtual classes, and customized curricula tailored to individual needs. Participants are engaged through real-time trade simulations and hands-on projects that mirror real-world business scenarios and corporate training. This approach allows for effective and efficient learning by addressing unique learning style management, business needs, and skill levels. By selecting Oracle's training programs, learners can ensure their training fits their schedule and prepares them for global trade challenges. Individual training provides comprehensive coverage of Master Oracle GTM, from beginner fundamentals to advanced implementation concepts and best practices. This includes flexible learning formats, such as self-paced courses for independent learners, plus live interactive sessions for real-time guidance and collaboration. Expert-led guidance and preparation materials are available to help you successfully pass Oracle GTM certification exams. Complete learning resources include comprehensive study materials, presentation decks, practical case studies, and real-world implementation examples. These resources are designed to help you master Oracle GTM and achieve your career goals. Our corporate training programs are designed to address specific business process issues, provide industry-specific support, and help teams overcome technical challenges. We offer customized solutions that cater to the unique needs of each organization. Our global reach enables us to deliver training seamlessly across multiple countries and time zones. Ongoing support and post-training assistance ensure consistent knowledge transfer and job placement support. By partnering with us, organizations can maximize their return on investment and achieve long-term success. Vistasparks has been working closely with Oracle Global Trade Management for several years now. Over this time, we have developed a deep understanding of how to effectively implement and utilize these systems. Our extensive experience allows us to provide customized solutions that cater to the specific needs of each client. We create tailored training programs that enable our clients' teams to master the complexities of global trade. Our team of experts works tirelessly to deliver exceptional results that consistently exceed expectations. We are committed to ongoing support and resources, ensuring that our clients can continue to grow and thrive over time. Corporate training is essential for businesses to stay competitive in today's fast-paced digital landscape. With the increasing complexity of international trade regulations, it is crucial to have a solid understanding of core training modules, such as product classification, license management, master tariff management, export permits and authorization, harmonized system codes, and more. These modules form the foundation of effective trade compliance, enabling businesses to navigate the intricacies of global trade with confidence. By mastering these core training modules, organizations can optimize their trade agreements, reduce costs, and minimize risks associated with customs management, restricted party screening, and sanctions compliance. Furthermore, having a thorough understanding of landed cost calculation methodologies, trade agreement analysis, and document automation can help businesses streamline their operations and improve overall efficiency. Corporate training plays a vital role in empowering businesses to thrive in the digital age. The instructor provided detailed explanations of each step involved in the process. The instructor explained the importance of each component and demonstrated how it functions. The instructor offered guidance on how to troubleshoot common issues and resolve problems efficiently. The instructor provided examples of successful implementations and case studies of companies that have successfully implemented Oracle GTM. The instructor shared knowledge about the benefits of using Oracle GTM, including improved customer satisfaction, increased productivity, and reduced costs. The instructor discussed the various tools and features available within the system, such as the ability to configure user roles and set up workflows. The instructor highlighted the need for ongoing maintenance and updates to ensure continued functionality and performance. The instructor emphasized the value of continuous learning and professional development to stay current with changing regulations and technologies. The instructor encouraged learners to ask questions and seek clarification when needed. The instructor offered suggestions for future training and resources to support continued growth and success. The instructor concluded by summarizing key takeaways and providing recommendations for next steps. Our team consists of experienced, Oracle-certified GTM professionals who have extensive real-world implementation experience. We have a proven track record of delivering successful projects for top organizations such as DHL, KPMG, Tech Mahindra, and many Fortune 500 companies worldwide. We offer customized training solutions tailored to meet the unique needs of various industries, including manufacturing, retail, logistics, and technology sectors. We provide comprehensive support throughout the entire process, ensuring seamless integration into your organization. Our services include ongoing learner assistance, implementation guidance, and dedicated job placement support to help you advance your employees' careers. By choosing us, you can trust that your organization will receive expert guidance and support every step of the way. Our customized workshops and comprehensive rollout programs have streamlined their GTM training, enabling them to achieve significant results. With our expertise, they've reduced compliance errors by 45%, enhanced their service offerings, and achieved faster customs clearance times. Additionally, our solution has enabled them to improve their operational efficiency by 35%. We're proud to have empowered these clients to drive their digital futures forward. Our training programs are designed to deliver measurable results through our expert trainers and state-of-the-art facilities. Our certification pass rates have consistently exceeded 95%, demonstrating our effectiveness in preparing learners for their Oracle GTM certification exams. Furthermore, we've seen significant improvements in onboarding times, with new users achieving productivity within 30% less time than expected. This is a testament to our expertise in streamlining the process, allowing learners to hit the ground running quickly. Additionally, our clients have reported impressive reductions in error rates, with 40% fewer compliance errors and customs-related issues. We're proud of our client satisfaction ratings, which have increased by 85%. These metrics demonstrate our commitment to delivering high-quality training that meets the unique needs of each organization. By measuring these outcomes, we can confidently say that our training has a tangible impact on our clients' bottom line. The Oracle Global Trade Management (GTM) certification is a globally recognized credential that demonstrates expertise in global trade management. This certification enables individuals to enhance their credibility with employers and clients worldwide, thereby opening up new career opportunities. The Oracle GTM certification also provides access to exclusive professional communities and resources, which gives certified professionals a competitive edge in the job market. Certified professionals can expect a significant salary increase, with average annual compensation ranging from $138,000 to $175,000. The GTM certification can lead to various roles such as Trade Compliance Analyst, GTM, Implementation Consultant, Global Supply Chain Manager, and even Director of Trade Compliance. These roles offer a wide range of responsibilities and challenges, allowing certified professionals to advance their careers and take on more senior positions. Obtaining the Oracle GTM certification positions an individual for long-term success and growth in their career. The training programs offered by our organization are designed to cater to diverse learning styles and preferences. These programs allow learners to select from a variety of formats that suit their individual needs. The flexibility of our scheduling enables learners to balance their training with other commitments, such as work or family responsibilities. Learners can choose from weekday or weekend intensive programs, which can be completed within a short period of time. Our training programs are designed to be easy to enroll in, with an intuitive enrollment process that streamlines the registration process. The duration of the training varies depending on the level of the learner, ranging from beginner to advanced levels. The training duration ranges from 20 to 40 hours, depending on the specific requirements of the learner. We offer multiple formats for delivering the training, including online registration portals, self-paced online modules, and customized learning plans tailored to each learner's needs. Immediate course access and quick consultation calls are also provided to ensure seamless integration into the workplace. Our training logistics make it easy for learners to register and begin their training at any time, regardless of their schedule. This convenience allows learners to take advantage of our training programs whenever they prefer. By offering a range of training options, we empower learners to take control of their digital future. The company offers various training programs that cater to different types of organizations. These programs include individual training sessions, corporate training options, and group training sessions. The company provides a range of training topics, including leadership development, communication skills, and project management. The company's training programs are designed to meet the unique needs of each organization. The company's pricing is based on the type of organization and the number of employees. The company offers flexible pricing options, allowing customers to choose from a variety of package deals. The company's training programs are available at different price points, ranging from affordable to premium. The company's prices are competitive with other training providers. The company offers a range of additional services, including ROI assessments and certification exam preparation. The company's training programs are delivered through a combination of instructor-led training and online learning platforms. The company's training programs are designed to be engaging and interactive, with a focus on practical application. The company's training programs are available in multiple languages. The company's training programs are designed to be flexible and adaptable to different learning styles. The company's training programs are available in a range of formats, including on-site and virtual delivery. The company's training programs are designed to be cost-effective and efficient. The company's training programs are available to a wide range of industries and organizations. The company's training programs are designed to meet the unique needs of each organization. The company's training programs are available at different price points, ranging from affordable to premium. The company's prices are competitive with other training providers. The company provides flexible training delivery options, which allow learners to access training materials and participate in online courses from any location, at any time. The training programs are designed to meet the diverse needs of learners, including those who prefer to learn through self-study, group discussions, and hands-on activities. The company also offers a range of support services, such as mentoring, coaching, and feedback, to help learners achieve their goals and overcome challenges. Additionally, the company provides access to a vast library of digital content, including ebooks, videos, and podcasts, which can be accessed by learners at any time. Furthermore, the company offers a variety of assessment and evaluation methods, including quizzes, tests, and projects, to help learners demonstrate their knowledge and skill. The company's flexible training delivery model allows learners to take ownership of their learning process, enabling them to set their own goals and objectives, and to track their progress over time. This approach enables learners to develop a sense of autonomy and agency, which is critical for achieving success in their roles. By providing flexible training delivery options, the company aims to empower learners to take control of their learning journey and to make informed decisions about their career development. Oracle Global Trade Management, GTM, offers a range of benefits for organizations looking to improve their global trade capabilities. One key benefit is the ability to manage complex supply chains more effectively. This includes managing inventory levels, optimizing logistics, and streamlining processes. By implementing Oracle GTM, organizations can reduce costs associated with manual data entry and errors, as well as minimize the risk of non-compliance with regulations. Another significant advantage of Oracle GTM is its ability to provide real-time visibility into global trade operations. This enables organizations to make informed decisions about their business operations, such as when to launch new products or when to adjust pricing strategies. With Oracle GTM, organizations can also track shipments and monitor inventory levels in real time, allowing them to respond quickly to changes in demand. In addition to these benefits, Oracle GTM provides a range of tools and resources to support organizational change management. These include training programs, consulting services, and ongoing support from experienced professionals. By leveraging these resources, organizations can ensure a smooth transition to Oracle GTM and maximize its benefits. Furthermore, joining the Oracle GTM community of professionals can provide valuable insights and knowledge sharing among members. Members can share best practices, case studies, and lessons learned, helping each other to overcome challenges and achieve success. By participating in this community, organizations can tap into the collective expertise of others and stay up to date on the latest trends and developments in global trade management. Oracle GTM Training can help you master compliance, optimize trade operations, and advance your career by providing a comprehensive understanding of global trade management systems and processes. With Vistasparks Solutions, you can gain expertise in managing complex international transactions, improving supply chain efficiency, and enhancing your organization's overall competitiveness. Our training programs are designed to equip you with the knowledge and skills necessary to succeed in the rapidly evolving world of global trade. By participating in our Oracle GTM training, you can unlock your full potential and take your career to new heights. Our experienced instructors will guide you through the learning process, ensuring that you receive the support and guidance needed to achieve success.